Hey, it's Rhonda here today with another quick tip for online marketers, especially if you are using some sort of messaging or you're writing some content and you want to switch it around a little bit. So I'm going to share my screen here for a second. Share my screen. I am going to go to, here we go. Okay, so this is a really cool tool that was shown to me by somebody a couple of years ago, actually now, and it's called Spintax. So you can actually just go to this right on your computer. It's spintaxtool.appspot.com/Spintax. You can see that up here in my browser. And I actually just bookmarked mine. So if you don't know how to bookmark, you just come over to here, add a bookmark, and done. It goes into your bookmarks so that you can easily find a tab again. That's important. I save all the important tools that I plan on using again, or websites or anything like that. I bookmark them all so that they're easy and convenient for me to find right in my bookmarks over here. So anyways, coming back to the Spintax tool. So say you are an online marketer and you're sending out a lot of friend requests, right? So now you start getting some messages. Oh, thanks for the friend request. Thanks for connecting, whatever it may be. And you're going to start having some conversations with some people, right? So this can save you a little bit of time and energy. If you come to Spintax, then you're going to be giving out the same sort of message, right? So this is why I'm saying, for example, if you've just friend requested and now you have, maybe 10, 20 people that have accepted, and you want to send them a very similar message. However, if you're on Facebook and you're using Messenger, the problem with that is if you start copying and pasting the same message over and over, you are going to get thrown in Facebook jail, right? And none of us want to be thrown in Facebook jail because you're just going to be copying and pasting that same thing. Facebook flags it. So in case you didn't know that, that is one way to get thrown in Facebook jail. So that's where this Spintax tool comes in handy. So if you come in here, you can see they have these little brackets and the straight lines, right? So I already typed this in, so I would be prepared to make this video a little bit shorter. So of course I'm going to say, hey, hi, or hello. So you come into these brackets, and they're all going to be already going to be here. There is going to be a little sample for you here so that you can see exactly what to do. So in the brackets, and then whatever you have, the three similar words that you want them to randomly switch out, you put that vertical line in between those. Then I'm just going to say, thanks for the, again, inside the brackets, either connection or the vertical line, friendship. So this is what this is going to do is Spintax, and I'll show you in a minute when I spin this, is going to randomly change the words inside these brackets. So now you are not sending out the same exact message time after time, but you can still copy and paste it. So I'll show you. So now I'm going to say, hope you're having a nice, or I hope you're having a either super or fantastic day. Looking forward to seeing your either posts or content is the way I have it here, right? So anyways, that's what I want to say to people. Generally the same thing. I'm just, introducing myself because they just accepted my friend request and I have a bunch. So instead of typing this all out to every single person, I'm going to come in here. I'm going to write generally what I want to say, the words that I want Spintax to switch up for me, and I'm going to hit spin. So now I hit spin. So here's my first one. Hi, thanks for the friendship. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Looking forward to seeing your posts. Now I just highlight this, right click, copy it. There I go. I can send that same one to a couple people that won't be flagged by Facebook. So now I'm going to come back in here. I'm going to spin this again. It's going to give me a different message. Hello, thanks for your friendship. Hope you're having a super day. Looking forward to seeing your content. Same thing, copy and paste it. Come back in here, spin it again. Here's another one. Hi, thanks for the friendship. Hope you're having a super day. Looking forward to seeing your content. So as you can see, every time it spins it, it's switching up the words that I have in these brackets up here. You can even use this, for posts or for articles or anything like that. Say you have something that you posted on Facebook, you want to switch it up a little bit for other things, or you have a post on Facebook that maybe you want to just change up on a different page or whatever. Just come in here, put the brackets in, and you can literally spin it out and get a totally different format. So let me stop the share here. So that is literally a simple little tool that can save you some time, save you from frustrations from being thrown into Facebook jail. And it's free. Nothing better than free. So hope this helped. Hope you enjoy this little tool and have a great day.